For our first game, you need the following: 5 cups, ping pong balls, water, and pail. For our first game, there will be 5 cups. Each cup should have an equal amount of water. Next, there will be one ping pong ball that you need to blow in order for it to transfer or jump to the next cup, and then shoot it to the pail at the end. If successful to do the challenge, you'll have 1 point in your scorecard and may continue to the next round. You only have 2 minutes to shoot as many balls as you can to the pail. Good luck!
For our second game, you'll need a bucket of water, large-sized balloons, and pins.
Each player should have big balloons or plastic bags filled with water and tied. There are 3 teams required to play. Each player will also have 3 buckets placed 8 feet, 10 feet, and 12 feet away from where he or she is standing. The player will be throwing the balloons into the bucket from where he or she is standing in order to fill it with water as much as they can once it pops. If it does not land or pop inside the bucket, then you have to pick it up and throw it again. The game will have a 1-minute timer per distance, so the player with the buckets filled the most amount of water will advance to the next round. For the third game, you'll need a bucket, cornstarch, water, food coloring, and laminated puzzle pieces.
There will be teams of 3. The players will have to search for the puzzle pieces inside the bucket. Once the player has collected all of the pieces, the player can now complete the puzzle by putting the pieces together. The goal of the game, which is to complete the puzzle, must be done in time, using only the pieces he or she has acquired.
For our fourth challenge, you need to have a basket or a box, 5 pieces balloons, and a fan.
The game is composed of 3 teams with 2 players, and each player should have a balloon at the start. Each player must not let the balloon hit the ground by swaying their hand. The player must be able to put the balloon in the basket located at the end point. A player who was not able to put the balloon inside the basket or the balloon touched the ground must start again from the beginning, in order for it to transfer or jump into its paired cup.
And for our fifth game, you'll need 3 buckets of water and more or less 100 pieces of needles. The 3 teams must prepare the needles they are going to use. Each team will have a corresponding bucket to use for the game. The players will only have 1 minute and 30 seconds to make the needles float in the bucket of water. Needles that do not float will not be counted. Once the time is up, the team with the highest count of floating needles will win the game.